Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check in with Air China. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is open up a web browser and go to Air China's official site. So we could do a Google search for that or go to airchina.com.cn. Now on the main page here, we've got an option to check in. So go in and click on the check in. Then it says here check in is available or reprint boarding pass. So go ahead and click on check in. Now this is going to open up a new web page. So to do an online check-in, we want to fill out this form. So please enter the passenger's name. If the name includes opinion or English, please fill it in according to the format, surname, etc. And then enter the passenger's ticket ID in the next field, and then your ticket number reservation. Also, you want to choose your departure airport and arrive at the airport. Now, also, we need to enter your flight number. So go ahead and enter your flight number and your flight dates. And then from here, go ahead and click on pick up the ticket. Now, they've got some helpful information here. So you want to go ahead and pause this video and read this. I'm not going to read it out because it's going to make the video too long.